All right, so today what we're going to be doing is reading about the story Cinderella, and we're going to work through things like the setting, main characters, um, events, and at the end of today, after discussing this, we're going to be creating a character chart map. So just going to kind of go over what we're going to be doing. So a few things to know: who the main characters are of the story, the setting where the story takes place, key details, and we're going to want to be able to dictate and write to create a character trait word web about our main character. Some vocabulary is: what is a fable, what is a fairy tale, what it means to identify, and what is the setting. So that's the vocabulary that we're going to be covering today in our lesson. A few questions that I want you to kind of be thinking of before and after we listen to our story. Who is the main character? Where does the story take place? What did Cinderella leave behind? What are your thoughts on the story? And did you like the ending? So we are going to be sharing all of those things with our partners. So that leads me to: what will we be doing as a whole class? We will listen to the story Cinderella read aloud. Students will share their thoughts with a partner on our rainbow rug. Next, we will discuss setting, main character, and key details. And lastly, we will brainstorm as a whole class different character traits of Cinderella. Those character traits will help you to create an independent character trait map. So we'll be creating a word web with Cinderella in the middle, and you are going to choose 5 words or traits that we created from our brainstorming session, and you're going to fill in the 5 bubbles around Cinderella. Lastly, if you have any questions for me before we get started, before the day, let me know. Send me a message on Dojo or have your questions ready for me when you arrive. Thank you.